case study, we selected sweet craving dessert, which operate in the food and beverage industry, specifically in the dessert segment. The business focuses on homemade and ready-to-eat desserts such as cake batik and cheese cake. Cake batik is a chocolate-based dessert that is popular for its unique batik pattern and rich flavor, while cheese cake offers a combination of creamy cheesecake and a crunchy biscuit base. Sweet craving dessert operates both online and physically, which help the business reach more customers while ensuring consistent quality and customer satisfaction.
Today, I will explain the costing method used in this assignment. First is job costing. Job costing is used when the products are made based on customer order. Each job is separate and we calculate all costs like material, labor and overhead for that job. This method is good for customized products like construction or printing. Next, batch costing. Batch costing is used when products are made in batches. All units in a batch are the same, and we find the cost per unit by dividing the total batch cost by the number of units. This method is often used in food production or product made in small batches. For this assignment, we use batch costing because cake batik and cheese cake are made in batches. Each batch products are the same number of units, so batch costing help us find the cost per unit and set the selling price easily.
Product which include cake batik and cheese cake. There are three main cost components: direct labor, direct material and overhead costs. Firstly, direct materials are the raw ingredient used to make the product. Cake batik use Mary biscuit, butter, condensed milk, cocoa or Milo powder and chocolate compound. Cheese cake use cream cheese, whipping cream, condensed milk, Mary biscuit and fresh milk. These ingredients are the main item need to product the dessert we serve to customer. Secondly, direct labor refer to workers who prepare the product for cake batik. This include preparation, cooking, packaging and portioning. For cheese cake, it include mixing, layering and portioning. The cost of labor is calculated based on the hours spent making each product. Lastly, overhead costs are the indirect expenses that support production. For cake batik, this include glove, packaging, boxing, baking paper, supervisor assistant, cleaning staff, equipment, decoration, electricity, water and gas. Cheese cake also has overhead costs such as plastic container, lids, glove, electricity for mixer and chiller, water and equipment dispersion. These costs are important because they keep the production process running smoothly even though they cannot be linked direct to each unit of
So let's talk about our pricing strategy. We use a simple markup formula to determine profit markup. Profit markup equals to markup percentage multiplied with total cost. So for the total cost of cake batik is 765 ringgit. Multiply with 25% of markup. So we get 191 ringgit 25 cents. How we get 1 unit profit of cake batik is we put RM 191 ringgit 25 cents divide to 45 units, so we get RM 4 ringgit 25 cents. So now let's talk about our selling price for each product. We use a simple formula to determine simple price. The formula is total cost plus which profit. So RM 765 65 ringgit plus paid RM 191 ringgit 25 cents. So we get RM 956 ringgit 25 cents. So how we get 1 unit selling price of cake batik is RM 956 ringgit 25 cent divide to 45 unit, so we get RM 21 ringgit 25 cents.
So, pricing strategy cheese code. We have profit markup equal markup percent multiply total cost. The markup percent we have 25%, multiply total cost is 674 ringgit, and we got 168 ringgit and 50 cent. So next, 1 unit's profit of cheese code. The total profit markup is 168 ringgit and 50 cent divided 45 units, and we got 3 ringgit and 74 cent. So, selling price for each product cheese code. The formula selling price total cost plus profit. And total cost we have 674 ringgit plus 168 ringgit and 50 cent, and we got 842 ringgit and 50 cent. So next, 1 unit selling price of cheese code, and the selling price is 842 ringgit and 50 cent divided 45 unit. So we got 80 ringgit and 72 cent.
Throughout this ACC116 assignment, I gained a better understanding of basic accounting concepts and how they are applied in real situations. One of the main challenges I faced was making sure all calculations were accurate and using the correct accounting treatment. However, by referring to lecturer notes and discussing with my team members, I was able to overcome this challenge. Overall, this assignment helped improve my analytical skill and showed me the importance of accuracy in accounting.
For me, the main challenge I identify and classify costs correctly, especially difference between direct and indirect costs. Calculating the cost per unit was also challenged to the varying ingredients quantities. In addition, setting a suitable selling price requires careful cost calculation to ensure profitability. Through this project, I learned the importance of accurate cost recording and gain a better understanding of basic costing concept and their application in real business situation. So this task helped me develop stronger teamwork and communication skills.
This assignment helped me apply accounting theory to practice question. At first, I had difficulty understanding some accounting adjustment and classification with the help of group discussion and extra practice. I slowly understood them better. Better working in a group taught me how important teamwork and responsibility. Overall, this assignment was helpful and improved my understanding of accounting. Thank you.
What the challenges and learning that I faced was working on this ACC assignment allowed me to improve my understanding of a basic accounting concept and financial reporting. One of the main challenges I faced was interpreting the question accurately and applying the correct accounting method. With guidance from my team members and referring to learning material, I was able to complete my task effectively. This assignment enhanced my learning experience and teamwork skill.
This assignment focused on costing method for food production, specifically cake batik and cheese cake. The main goal is to apply job costing and batch costing to calculate the cost of producing each product and determine the cost per unit. Through this project, we learn how to identify direct material, direct labor, and overhead costs, and how to use this to set an appropriate selling price. This assignment also help us improve teamwork, communication, and practical problem solving skill by working together and collect data, calculate costs, and prepare the presentation.